Great. So tonight's workshop is definitely in the spirit of courageous conversations, which is one of the themes for the conference this year. And like Chester said, the courageous part is we're going to be putting the focus on ourselves tonight. We do a lot of focusing on our kids and what they've been through and what they need and what they're carrying with them. But the truth is, relationships involve two people, right? So parent and child, we both come with our own unique histories, our own wounds, our own experiences, and you can't look at only one side of that equation if you want that relationship to be strong.